What's up, YouTube, and welcome back. First of all, first thing I need to say is I want to say thank you for 19,000 subscribers. We hit that yesterday, and I was actually over in Indiana doing some super cool things. We had the opportunity to shoot some professional fireworks, professional shells, stuff like that. It was pretty cool. Put that video in right here.
All right, so Ryan's first 5. There we go. And they're ghost shells too. They're f***ing nice. Hit it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
And we hit 19,000 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you. We hit that last night, and we're already at 19,100. Unreal. I want to say thank you guys for the support. It's been an honor, mostly a pleasure, making this content for you guys, and it's great. Seeing the support. I love posting videos and you guys commenting, liking the videos, and putting your support in the comments, giving me suggestions. That's what makes making these videos fun and so rewarding. Is I love seeing all you guys in the comments saying you like the truck, you like the wheels, congrats. I love all that, man. You guys rock. Like I said, we're so close to 20,000, so if you haven't been here before, feel free to get down there, smash that subscribe button, because we are so close to 20,000. That's 19,000 is good, but 20,000 is just 1,000 better, and that's crazy. Also, if you haven't followed my Instagram account for the truck 67 Lime, I'm trying to hit 1,000 followers on that too. So if you haven't hit that already, swing on over there. You'll hit that follow button over there, and you'll get some updates before I even post videos as well. So that's awesome. I just want to say thank you guys to start. But today I'm about to go over the most controversial thing in the off-road truck, lifted truck, diesel truck community. It's something everybody knows about, and everybody says something about, and everyone has an opinion about. But today I'm going to clarify why Ram owners drive with their mirrors up. For me, at least, it's actually more functional than you would believe. It's not just because I want to look like a tool and just show off that I own a Ram. Not at all. I'm on my way to go get lunch right now, and I'm going to take you guys to a parking lot, and I'm going to show you the exact reason why I drive with these mirrors up. And yes, for those who didn't know, my truck is a 6-speed manual, which makes it that much cooler. Lime green and a 6-speed, can't find that anywhere. She looking good. So hard to keep her clean when it rains and whatnot. Yeah, you get one part unless it gets dirty. Alright, so now we're going to address the most controversial thing in the off-road and truck community. And it's as simple as this. That's it. It's this mirror. Whether it's down or it's up. Which I find extremely funny, because when you have a Ford or a Chevy and they have their tow mirrors sticking out, people don't complain. Let me shut her off here, it's really loud. But when Fords and Chevys have their tow mirrors out, people don't really complain. And if you think about it, Fords and Chevys, their tow mirrors are vertical. So what's the difference? Fords and Chevys are top and bottom, Rams are left and right. Now, I'm gonna be honest, just like I said, the reason why I drive with my mirrors up, it's more practical than showy. So first of all, here's how the truck looks with the mirrors down. Not gonna lie, it still looks pretty good. mainly because the truck itself is badass, but that's besides the point. Here's what the truck looks with the mirrors down. It looks good either way. Some people are gonna like it with the mirrors down, some people are gonna like it with the mirrors up. But that in no means is the reason why I drive with the mirrors up. Is not because I like it, like the look of, you know, the mirrors being up. Even though I do like it with the mirrors up, I also do like the look of the mirrors being down. I do like this look, I'll admit it. I'm gonna take 2 screenshots there, and I'm gonna go post the comparison on my Instagram, so get over there, follow it. Put in the comments below over there which look you like better. Like me personally, this looks really, really good, except for the fact that I cannot drive like this for one simple reason. So this side of the truck has the mirror up, passenger side. Now, when you're driving, look what you can see. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parking spots over if you look in the back row. So when you're on the highway and you're going down roads, look at all of the area you can see. Now I'm gonna adjust this mirror the way I would if I was driving with it. So when I'm driving, I like having the truck in the mirror, so I see, you know, where the body of my truck is, and I also like seeing beyond that. I don't like driving like this where you can't see the truck. I like seeing a little bit of the truck and everything out. So now, what can you see in this mirror? This spot in one spot over. Exactly my point. Look at the difference. One spot over, and a little bit of the third. Just so you, so everyone isn't all butthurt, I will give you guys the third space. 3 spots over. In this mirror, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th spot. You can see 5 spots over. And not only that, look at what you can see in the upper mirror. This upper mirror is giving you the look of what you see in this mirror. You're seeing the vertical shot and like a lane over. That's what you're in theory seeing in that mirror on top. Your normal glass, you are seeing 1 spot over, you know, 1 lane over what's coming up next to you. And in the bottom, you're seeing 5 lanes, parking spaces, but you know, all that space over. Go to a local parking lot and just look at the spread of 5 parking spaces. That is a lot of distance, and clearly, yes, they are towing mirrors for a reason. So when you fold them up and you're towing your trailer, you could see, you know, all that. However, these new trucks are huge, and I'm not even talking about the fact that because mine's lifted this big. I'm just saying in general, these trucks, new trucks are big. Whether you have a Ford, a Ram, a Chevy, a GMC, these new trucks, these heavy-duty trucks and super-duty trucks are huge. All the guidance and field of view you can see in your mirrors is huge, and I mean, I'm talking massive. Like, you drive down the road, and I know a lot of Ram owners, they just buy the truck, mirrors down, don't ever touch them. Give it a shot, flip them up, readjust them, and you'll see a world of difference. Another reason why I don't fold my mirrors down as much is because you have to readjust the mirrors, and the bottom or left-hand portion of the glass is manual, and this is automatic. Same thing with that. So to adjust that bottom glass, I have to crawl over there, touch it, you know, adjust it, come back in, you know, look in my driver's seat, is it right? Come back over here, look, is it right? You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of work. This view isn't the worst view in the world. However, you just can't see as much. Now, 3rd gen mirrors, they had, instead of having a full piece, they just had a little piece in the corner. I kind of like that better, because driving with that down was so much easier than driving with like these down. So a lot of you that sit there and hate on Ram owners driving with their mirrors up, it is actually a lot more practical than you think. Like I said, this look, I might actually rock it now that I've actually put the mirrors down, but I'll probably flip them back up in a day because it's just so much harder to see with that. And obviously that's the purpose of the towing mirrors, but with the Ram and how unique of a towing mirror setup they have, how it flips up instead of sliding out, it's a great concept. But me personally, with a truck this big, I like having them up. The field of vision is so much better, and it's just so much safer on the road. Not only for me, but all the other drivers, man. There are so many cars smaller than me on the road. It's just so much safer to have the mirrors up. Man, this is hard. This is actually a hard decision. I like to look with the mirrors down, but I also like to look with the mirrors up. I'll just drive with one and one, that's fine. But like I said, it's just a lot safer for me to drive with them up. Yeah, now it's time to get some lunch because I'm starving. Look at this, guys. Man, this looks good. Wheels, they definitely need a wash. It rained. Wheels need a wash. The Fox shocks under there looking fresh. Fresh coils and everything. Man, this looks good. I'll show you guys a little booty shot here. Booty shot with the mirrors down, and booty shot with the mirrors up. This truck looks freaking good, man. Oh my god, I'm so happy how it turned out. And we're not even done yet. Chrome's got to go, and a bunch of other stuff is getting done. So yeah, now it's time to go get some lunch. This is about neck level. And there's the height to get up in the cab. And something I didn't even notice after getting back up in here and readjusting my mirrors here. Look at this in the bottom mirror. You could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we zoom in. What's that in the upper corner? You can see just the tip of the 6th parking space just because you're a little bit closer to this mirror. All right, guys, we reached the promised land. I'm gonna enjoy a nice lunch at Chipotle. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before and you want to follow this build, get down there, please click subscribe. I hope this video made it a little more easy for some of you to understand why at least I drive with my mirrors up, and maybe a few other Ram owners out there. I want to say thank you guys for watching again. Thank you for 19,000 subscribers. We're almost at 20. You guys, the support is unreal. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.